in a day, we have about 45,000 to 65,000 thoughts if we are in a normal state of mind. Now, how do they measure it? A thought is created, it touches brain waves are created, those brain waves can be measured. Frequencies, vibrations can be measured. There are scientific equipments that do it, right? So they calculate the number of thoughts that we have, and basis that they say that almost when we are not too stressed or too upset, we have about 45,000 to 65,000 thoughts a day, which means every 1 or 2 seconds there is some thought. This Rituben sitting here coming from Mumbai thinks, oh, she's so great, I'm talking here and all of you are listening. But imagine every 1 or 2 seconds, you may actually have some thought in your mind, which I may not even know. I think you're looking at me, you're listening with some thought. And it's nobody's fault. It's the way we've programmed our mind. And imagine if on a day I am little upset. Just go back to our last week. If there was any situation which made me angry or upset, the number of thoughts go higher, which is called beta or beta plus state. Right now, when I'm talking, possibly I may be in a beta state. If I'm upset, nobody listens to me. What is this? Nobody, or some it's already 6:30, nobody is here and I'm upset about it, for example.
We start predicting, so there are a lot of
Yeah.
things we said, we started thinking,
Yes.
ऐसा होता तो
ऐसा होता तो, हाँ जी, absolutely. When we are thinking about all these assumptions, ऐसा होता तो ऐसा नहीं हो जाए, these are all state when we are in beta plus state, which is very high number of thoughts. And we are not even aware, 1 or 2 seconds thought. This is where our life's experiences turn out to be slide 1. No gap, no full stop and no comma, meaning, let's say if I'm going out somewhere, I'm going for work, let's say 9 o'clock in the morning, I'm 8:30, I'm leaving for office, for example, I'm just about to leave, and somebody at home said something which I didn't appreciate, I didn't like, I'm just leaving for office. They could have had this conversation maybe in the evening, why in the morning? So I started my day with that kind of experience. And then through the day, it's going on in my mind without a full stop. Now, a question that I have for all of us. Yeah? The person, whoever it could be my mother-in-law, it could be my spouse, it could be my child, it could be anybody, my daughter-in-law or anybody around. Yeah? They said something which I didn't like, and I left with that state of mind. And through the day, that feeling persists. Okay? That feeling is there. And I'm not feeling good about it. होता है ऐसे mood off हो जाता है. Our mood is not good. We don't feel good about it. We start feeling low, or we start getting upset and angry. Yeah. One question that I have for all of us sitting here, and that question is, that person happened to say it once for, let's say, 2, 3, 4 or 5 minutes. And then those sentences, they put full stop because I left. Okay, 5 minutes. Maximum. It is usually a 1 or a 2 sentence which we kind of, get upset about, and then it's over from their side. Okay, it goes on in our mind. They said it once. How many times in that entire day did I repeat that sentence for myself and created that emotion? Now, who is to be blamed? They said it once, I said it 15 times. Who is more responsible? And what do we end up saying? मेरा आज मूड ठीक नहीं है because you said this. We do that? तुम्हारी वजह से, it's because of you I am not feeling good. We do that? Yeah. Now they said it. I'm not saying they didn't. We're not denying the fact that outside situation may be, not as per what we wanted it to be. But they said it once. How many times have I repeated and created?